Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for in returns for you guys to smash that like button, and if it's your first time here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video and you're up to date on our chart analysis here with 42 Vision. So here we are with Rdbx, Redbox Entertainment Inc. hitting another dip area for the third time in the last week and a half, right? So here we are with wider Fed borders trying to consolidate and pull back for most of the day, and it did break through some key support levels that we talked about last week on Thursday and Friday. But before we break it all down and look at the charts on the resistance and support levels to look at going into tomorrow, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord and getting connected over to our 42 Vision indicators. So here we are with the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave jumps of 5 to 10%, 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was NRSN. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was having strength and pulling back towards the bell. It actually started to consolidate towards the bell, picked up again, and after the bell, giving a highest point of possibility of 40% plus, guys, within minutes. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity with 42 Vision, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Rdbx, Redbox Entertainment Inc. And as I stated earlier in the video, we hit a dip area once again in the last several days. And it's going to be very important to watch this level because we're going into the new month of July within the next few days to weeks. And there's a lot of speculation and hype behind the stock actually merging pretty soon. And a lot of people also have lost their conviction in this possibly squeezing any higher. Now, we talked about how the gamma squeeze opportunity has been removed from this stock, right? Short squeezes and gamma squeezes work together, and when there's gamma squeeze potential, stocks short squeeze this fast, this quick to the upside. I broke it all down in my last several videos. I've been talking about it, and I've also mentioned it since the first day that options were removed. Once the options chain no longer exists, gamma squeezing is not a possibility. But just because a stock can't gamma squeeze doesn't mean it can't still short squeeze. But for it to short squeeze and move as fast as it did from $2 to $18 without gamma is a lot more difficult, right? So that's what I've been emphasizing since the beginning, that the options chain was taken away, guys. So the buy button was not taken away completely, but the options chain buying was. And that has affected the potential of how quick things can squeeze or how significant the moves can be in the chart. But let's go ahead and break down some key levels here. I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we also released our Apple bot now, which you can now gain access to, and we have many more on the way, so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So Rdbx was under a bear indicator since June 24th. We talked about it in the previous video, and I stated, even though it's trying to come back up towards the second half of the day, if it cannot break out higher and cancel out that bear indicator with a possible bull indicator, then this bear indicator was gonna continue to dominate over the chart. And as you could see it, things actually sat sideways, did not really have enough strength, and pulled down all day today, right in the pre-market into the bell. And it even broke through the support levels that it needed to hold, not just from Friday, but even Thursday's levels, reaching the lowest points that we've seen in this pullback and sideways action of volatility for the last several weeks, since the highs of $18 and coming back towards $9 and $8. And here we are at around $8.55 range, but in a dip area. Now, just because we hit a dip area doesn't always guarantee that it's going to go back up. But once you hit a dip area, there tends to be reversals, right? Some are stronger than others, followed by a bull indicator giving extra confirmation of strength, and others are weaker than others, right? With no bull indicator, and quickly the continuation continues to the downside. So we are in a dip area. It's at a significant point to watch on the 30-minute, but it's still under a bear indicator. And if we look at the larger time frames, we will see that this has been under a bear indicator for some days now, not just on the 15-minute. So if we pull up the 30-minute, you could see that things were consolidating. They were under a bull indicator, but still below the recent highs of the 23rd. And if it broke through support, eventually a bear indicator could pop up if it continued going lower. And you could see it there on the 30-minute. It got that bear indicator at 934. And then on the 4-hour, it's been under a bear indicator since way up here at 1534. And within the volatility, it has continued to shift from green bars back to red multiple times. And now we've hit bright red bars, right? With continuation of further weakness and getting closer to a dip area, but now below the supports that were significant, way up here close to $9 and 880s, right? Now on the 1 day, you could see it's been under a bear indicator as well on the 12-13 mark. It came back up, things pulled back down, sat sideways, and we've been in a significant downturn here of red bars back to back for 4 days straight. So when you look at the bigger picture, we continue to see that it's been under a bear indicator for some time. And on the 15-minute, it had been since yesterday as we broke it down. And here on the 30-minute, it has been under a bear indicator, confirming further weakness today. But on the 15-minute and 30-minute, it is in a dip area. But I'm going to go ahead and be watching here on 42 Vision if the reversal and transitions continue from white with red borders to red with green borders, and followed by a possible bull indicator popping up in any move to the upside, canceling out this bear indicator. Those are the key things I'm going to be watching on 42 Vision on the 30-minute, and not only on the 30-minute, but also on the 15-minute based off this dip area and possible transitions back up. And I definitely want to see this break back above the highs of the day of 958. If it starts pushing up higher, that is the first resistance level that needs to be turned into a support. And to the downside, the support of the day is 835. Below that is $8. And to the upside, I would like to see the bulls break above the highs of the day of 958, 950 area, create that support, and break back out towards $10.20. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.